These are the Sennheiser CX 6.00 BT in-ear wireless headphones. So these are the Sennheiser CX 6.00 BT. They are in-ear headphones. They cost around $89.99, but you can pick them up for about $79.99 on various different websites. And they are lightweight Bluetooth headphones, and I'm quite interested to see just how lightweight they are. Now, being Sennheiser, that's a sign of quality, and at £80 you would expect these to have decent sound output. So it'll be it's really just down to the weight of them that we're going to look at before we do a full review, if I can work out how to open the box. Okay, so we're going in through the bottom, which might seem a little ridiculous, but I can't get the top of this open for the life of me. There's a bit of cardboard there, just out of curiosity. It's glued up there as well. I don't know. Right, okay, so comes in a rather nice little presentation box here. We have a quick start guide here, which does seem to be quite chunky. Must be various different things in there, probably warranty and all that kind of stuff. And then this is the case itself. So it doesn't seem to be a soft pouch, but it's nicely presented like this. We have a wraparound thing for it to go into that looks nicely set out. That might be quite difficult to get your headphones out of. We also have a micro USB charger cable that's quite short and dinky. That'll come in useful for all kinds of devices. And then we have three pair of little earbuds. These ones look to be tiny. It's not for a frog or something, or I don't know, but well. And then those seem to be kind of a standard size that I guess I would use, and then maybe one for kids or small ladies. Right, to get these out, this is hard plastic, so I imagine it's going to be complicated. Pull this round out like that, and that comes out like that, and then these should be able to pop out. And pop out they do. Right. Yes, they're very light. For running, I can't say that these would be ideal. They will hit people in the face whilst they're running, but at least they're pretty light, so maybe you could wear them under something or what have you. Right, so let's have a look at the headphones, which obviously come with another set of rubber earbuds on them. You can see the driver in here, which is just a very standard looking driver way down in the darkness. And then we've got a blue twinge around here, a nice reflective bit, which Sennheiser seem to like to do just to identify them so people know that you've got quality in your ears. The connection here does seem to be quite strong. It's a wee bit of reinforcement there leading to a flat rubbery cable, which is quite slight, very light. Fly a kite and apply some might. Right, so this is obviously probably the Bluetooth element to it, or noise cancelling or something in there which requires it to be here, because this is quite sizable as well, which would house Bluetooth and battery and things like that. But maybe this is the battery. Doesn't say on the back what it is, just serial numbers and that sort of thing. So the cable leads on down for about 5 or 6 inches to an adjustable bit that you can use. I know my wife likes to wrap this around her hair, and it helps double up as a hairband as well. This has a little bit of shiny plastic on it that appears to be removable, and then it's rounded on this side. Around here, see that label comes off. Then it leads down to here where we have the controls. We've got a plus, minus and a button as well for multifunction, I imagine. That's probably your power. And there we go, we're into pairing mode by holding the button in. There was no vibration from it, so there's no vibrating unit in there, but then I would kind of expect that. There's a hole for a microphone there, plus the Sennheiser logo, and then you charge it here under this rubber flap. Very nicely concealed. A bit fiddly, I suppose, because you have to try and get this back under again after you charge it. And then that leads to the other earbud, which I'm guessing you would know by the shape of it which ear it goes into, because you can't really put this into your left ear because it's sort of bent that way to make it comfortable for the right ear. So they are a rather nice little pair of headphones. Terribly light. They really are very, very light. And I think that's what Sennheiser are really pushing for, the lightest pair of headphones. And that's what you're paying for, is virtually no weight. So we're going to throw these away to get them reviewed. We'll fire them over to Paul, see what he thinks of them. Maybe he could take them out for a wee run, see how well they manage without this thing hitting you up the side of the face. Sennheiser say they weigh about 16 grams or thereabouts, and they have brilliant sound inside, which you would expect. And it features 4.2 in Bluetooth, plus the Qualcomm apt-X to ensure that true Sennheiser sound. The microphone and call features 3-way calling support, and the buttons allow you to do all kinds of jiggery pokery. I've got it in pairing mode there, and then it turns off and on, and there's various other functions. Well, imagine that pauses, answers, and all that kind of stuff depending on what the headphones detect is happening, and then volume up and down. So a full charge from empty to full takes about 1.5 hours, and Sennheiser like to think this has about a 6-hour battery life, which is kind of nice. So if you've got any questions for Paul to evaluate in the review, let me know in the comments box below. Hit that subscribe button. You'd be doing us a solid by doing that, because we want to get as many subscribers as possible, get us up to about 1,000 subscribers, and that way we can monetize the channel and keep us going. Give us a wee thumbs up if you fancy, and other than that, take care.